Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have the simulation cream. I have some little cake decorating tips that came with it, and we are going to have some fun. I got into my bag of little trinkets and found some cute little mushrooms. What else did I get? Oh, I got into my Stampin' Up stuff and got some flowers, little ladybugs, and little bumblebees. So we get to play with those. And I think we're going to have fun. I've never done this before. I've watched other people do them. So we will see. So this is a just a clear case. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. I'm just getting some little scissors here because what you're going to want to do is, I know you're going to want to scratch up these guys. And why? Because you want, this is like a, I think it might be a silicone, but it's not going to stick to the plastic if we don't have somewhere for it to stick to. So you could take like sanding paper and do that. I'm just taking scissors and scratching the top of it. But just keep scratching away. Don't worry. You're not going to see any of those scratches. I know. I'm just looking for big pieces. I'm done. All right. So we've got that. Got our little pieces here. I'm going to get out some little tweezers. And let's go ahead and get started. I picked this pink, green, and yellow. And because of the colors that I had in there, they're little mushrooms and flowers and beads. So I think I'm going to start with the outside here. And we're just going to go around the outside of the plastic. And this is the part that's going to be against the opening. So I'm kind of doing it like my aunt showed me. She's a baker, so I'm just kind of going like that all the way around. And it's going to get squished, but I still want it to have some kind of decoration, right? There we go. That's a little bit better. There is a little piece right here. So any parts that are open, you're going to want to leave open. So there's an open corner. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just do this all the way around. And I think this stuff does not bake, like, it's not like baking. Because my aunt showed me how to do this, but. So there we go. We've got that part done. I'm just going to leave that there for a minute. And then next, we're going to do this. And I'm going to do these in some lines. And this is much bigger. We're just going to go all the way around. It is fun. I can say that. And don't worry about if you have any lines like that I just had, because remember, we're going to be adding things to it. So there we go. It's nice and fluffy and puffy. And then we have some green. I'm just going to go like that. It's like baking or not baking, like decorating a cake. Right? Isn't that cute? And then we'll go with some more pink here. And we'll do the same thing, but I think what I'm going to do is turn it around. And go the opposite way and kind of fill in those holes. Hoping you can see it. I think you can. This really is a fun process. There we go. Oh. But don't worry. We have all that we need to have here. All right. So we're really filling this in. We've got all these parts. I think on this one, I'm going to fill it in a little bit more. Turn this a little bit here. And do it again. Oh yeah, much better. All right, so now we can take some of these and put them in here. And remember, we can fill some of those holes in. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And we've got these little mushrooms here. They're so adorable. We'll put some little mushrooms. Like that. And then we have little balls here, and if you know me, if you've watched me craft for any amount of time, you know that I like to do a large and a small and then another large somewhere near or somewhere away. Like that. And now I have a couple bumblebees here that we can add. we'll do 3 because I like to work in 3. Well, that's all I have, but it was either going to be 1 or 3. There we go. Do 1 more right there. And then I'm going to get out some of my Stampin' Up! Flowers because they are adorable. And this is just going to be so cute and colorful, just perfect for summer into spring. There we go. Do another one right here. And then we have little bitty flowers right there. We'll do another little bitty one. We'll do it right there. And as you can see, I mean, this is gonna stick on here really well. And then we will put some little ladybugs as well, because they are adorable. We'll put one there. Definitely putting one there. And then I think we've got one more. I'm going to push this down here and then put this right there. Just like that. And then finally, let's see. We put in some sparkles. And these can just go wherever you'd like. Just getting the ones that you want. If you really like the white sparkles, there's some white ones in here. Again, these are little Stampin' Up! Guys that I have on here. Whoop. I'll put a little fluorescent-y looking one. Oh, there's 2 right there, fell off. But you can't go wrong. This is just all fun here. I think I'm almost done though. I think we've got some great color in there. You can use anything you want. All right. I'm just looking for any holes. There might be any holes that you want to patch up. You can also use just a stick if you find that you want to move things around. I think we're good though. So there it is. How fun and cute is this? That just looks like a little sprinkly cupcake. And then once it all dries, we're gonna leave it here for about 24 hours or so, and then I'll be able to put it on my phone. All right, beauties, I hope you like it. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.